Welcome to Wildrose Media's Winter Craft Box tutorial. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to do the tissue paper rainbow. Begin by emptying the craft kit onto your work surface. In the kit, you'll find a rainbow image, some cotton swabs, and colored tissue squares. You'll also need the glue from your craft box. Separate the colored tissue squares. You'll be using the white ones first to do the clouds. Set the other ones aside. Crumple the tissue squares tightly together to make small balls. Once you have several crumpled, you can begin to glue. Dip the cotton swab into the glue and use it to apply glue to the paper. Then take the crumpled white tissues and glue them, forming the cloud. Next, we'll do the pink. Crumple a bunch of pink tissue squares into little balls. Apply the glue using the cotton swab. Complete the entire arch. Press the tissue papers close together so no white shows. Shape the tissue papers with your fingers and press them down to be sure that they stick. Next, you'll work on the blue. Crumple the blue tissues until you have enough to get started. Finally, you'll do the green. And your project is complete. Thanks for watching.